The color of your walls is important, but the sheen you choose will determine how that color looks and how well it stands up to daily life. Welcome back to VA Mortgage Specialist, where we dive into the final details that turn a construction site into a beautiful, durable home. Flat finishes are excellent for hiding imperfections on your walls because they do not reflect light, making them perfect for ceilings and low-traffic areas. Eggshell and satin finishes are the most popular choices for living rooms and bedrooms because they offer a soft glow and are much easier to clean. For kitchens and bathrooms, you generally want a semi-gloss or gloss finish that can withstand moisture and frequent scrubbing from spills or steam. Using a high-gloss finish on your trim and doors creates a beautiful contrast against matte walls and provides a hard, protective surface against scuffs. Choosing the wrong sheen can make a room feel too shiny or impossible to clean, so it is vital to match the finish to the room's specific function. Visit VAMortgageSpecialist.com to see our design guides for your next renovation and subscribe to master every detail of your home project.